wasn't even recording. Now it is. Get that.
They're so shitting all over the
Mine. He's just waiting for it.
Oh!
Chippy! Teasing the birds. They're going to turn into killer fucking seagulls.
Check this out. Watch.
Here we go. My car is totally covered in seagull shit. It's mine. I'll take that fucking thing away. Now they can see the chip properly. There we go. Turn the fucking wipers on them. Go, wipe it! Fuck, this is the funniest thing I've ever seen.
Wipe it again. Look.
Fucking hell.
This one's a little sluggy. Oh! I got shit on!
Oh, yuck. Why'd you it up?
Oh, it's a little girl. Yeah, but